Hello guys, welcome back. This is my last video of this tutorial. So let me just open VS Code. So in this video I will be showing how exactly our architecture is working from the front end and back end. So let me just run it. So it's already running. Okay, let me just open. So this is our index.html file. So I will be giving some random numbers like 3, 2, 4, 3. So if I submit, my model is predicting 2. So by using the predicted, we can do some if-else statements. If predicted equals to 0, then we are returning model predicted as, so those flower names is, so first is Setosa. If it's equals to 0, then it is Setosa. So copy it. So if predicted equals to 1, then it is versicolor. And then if my predicted equals to 2, then it is virginica. So now I will just take this. This is the possibilities which my model will be predicted, whether it will be 0, 1 or 2. So if predicted equals to 0, then this here LF and here it is LF. Yeah, here you go. This is what the changes I need to do, and let's run it again. So we'll reload it. 3, 2, 3, 2. So if I give the model predicted as Virginia. So this is how we make use of if-else statement to print exactly what our model predicted. So I will be telling now how our architecture works. Let's take all this. So this is our browser which I am using. It has a URL which running on the port 8000. So this is the page which we have created here. So what it happens whenever we press the submit button, the client and the server gets initiated by sending a request. When I click my submit button, the request is initiated by post method. So I already said you post method is something which the client sends the data to it. So as you can see, the petal length, petal width, sepal length, sepal width, it is an input values. Wait, I will just explain it by typing here. So 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3. So these three variables or three values will be traveling to the server. Now my server will get this 3233y, which I have written the code as this request.post.get and petal length. So each value has a name called petal length, petal width, sepal length and sepal width. So these four values will be traveling to the server, and my server takes it and stores in a variable called petal length, petal width, sepal length, sepal width. So my four variables are in server now. So what it happens, so these four variables will be given to the model. So the model takes four values with an array. So I have created an array which is known as 2D array. So I have given petal length, petal width, sepal length, sepal width. Now my model takes these values and predict what exactly the output may be for these values. So in my case, I have created a predicted variable which will store the output of the model. Everything is working in server. The client doesn't got anything now. Everything is handling by server. So whenever I get predicted value by the model, my predicted value may be 0, 1 or 2. Rather than this, my model won't predict any value. So if predicted equals to 0, we are sending a response to the client, and this is request and this is response, and this is the message we need to give to the client so that it will display to the users. Model predicted as Setosa. So I can give as Setosa here to get a better explanation. In my response, it's getting Setosa and it's getting viewed by the client. So this is how our client and server architecture works. If my predicted value is 1, then this message will be going. If my predicted is 2, then I will be sending this message. Like this, based on your model, you just analyze what inputs and what output it gives. Based on that, you will be working in your views.py file. In my beginning of videos, I had told you already that input values and output values are very important. So first understand it, later you can come and code here directly. So I hope you understand how our client and server is working. So that's all for this tutorial, and I will be thankful for my team And thank you guys. Thank you. Best of luck for your project. If you have any queries, you can come to me anytime. Bye bye.